Need more space but hate visual clutter? A well-designed wardrobe isn't just storage. It's a silent organizer, a space saver, and a style statement. Let's explore how to build the perfect room wardrobe that's both functional and beautiful. Before we dive into today's video, I'd like to welcome you to Decorpediya, your go-to source for home decor inspiration. We bring you creative ideas to transform your space with style and ease, helping you elevate every corner of your home effortlessly. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell icon so you never miss out on our latest decor inspirations. Now, let's get started. What about mirrored wardrobes? Mirrored wardrobes double as dressing mirrors and expand visual space. They bounce light around the room, making it look airier. They're especially helpful in small bedrooms where every inch counts and extra mirrors feel intrusive. Like reflective style? Tap like. Should I include lighting inside? Absolutely. Lighting adds both function and mood. Use LED strip lights, spotlights, or motion sensors to enhance visibility, especially in deep or tall units. It's a small addition that makes a big impact during rushed mornings or late-night routines. Bright idea? Like this feature. What color options work well? Neutral tones like white, beige, or gray blend easily with most decor themes. Dark wood tones bring warmth and depth, especially in cozy or classic rooms. Two-tone wardrobes are great for breaking monotony and creating visual interest. Color savvy? Like this palette. What finishing touch completes the look? Soft close hinges, smooth gliders, and sleek handles make everyday use effortless. LED-lit drawers or backlit mirrors enhance luxury and visibility. Even trim work or border panels can elevate a simple wardrobe into a standout piece. Details make design, like this one. What's the ideal internal layout? A good internal layout balances shelves, hanging rods, and drawers based on your clothing type. Adjustable shelves give flexibility as your needs evolve. Pull-out trays, tie racks, and shoe drawers add extra functionality without crowding the space. Love organized spaces? Like this one. What type of wardrobe suits small rooms? Sliding door wardrobes are perfect for compact rooms since they don't need clearance to open. Floor-to-ceiling units use vertical space wisely while offering ample storage. Mirrored panels also reflect light, helping the room appear larger and brighter. Small room solutions? Like this tip. Which materials are best for wardrobes? Engineered wood, MDF, and high-quality laminates are cost-effective and durable. Veneer adds elegance, while acrylic finishes give a sleek, glossy look. Always opt for moisture-resistant options, especially in humid regions or near attached bathrooms. Durable choices? Hit like. How do sliding wardrobes stay stylish? Opt for frosted glass, fabric panels, or a mix of laminate and mirror for texture. Frameless sliding doors or metal tracks can offer a modern edge. With the right finish, sliding wardrobes can complement minimalist or bold interiors easily. Love that sleek look? Like this idea. How do I personalize the design? Choose finishes that match your room's decor, matte for subtlety or gloss for a sleek look. Add unique handles, patterns, or colors that reflect your style. Incorporating open sections or glass doors also adds personality to the design. Make it yours, like now. How do hinged wardrobes compare? Hinged wardrobes provide full access and clear visibility of your wardrobe's contents. They allow for more flexibility in internal storage design, including drawers and trays. However, they need enough swing space, making them ideal for medium to large rooms. Like classic access? Tap like now. Can wardrobes be built around corners? Yes, L-shaped or walk-around corner wardrobes make use of underutilized space. They offer extended storage and can be customized for both open and closed sections. Great for rooms with awkward layouts or limited wall area. Smart with corners? Hit like. Is open shelving a good idea? Open shelving works well for frequently used or display-worthy items like bags, perfumes, or folded blankets. Keep it styled and clutter-free for a clean look. It pairs beautifully with closed units for a functional meets decor aesthetic. Open to open shelves? Tap like. A great wardrobe blends function with design. It declutters your life while elevating your space. With smart structure, durable materials, and personalized details, your wardrobe can feel less like storage and more like a statement.